Israel has been doing to the Gaza people. SubhanAllah, like Sister Ayaan will tell us what the Egyptian government hasn't been doing for our Muslim brethren.
Assalamu alaikum. Well, we're here today to account the rulers in Egypt, especially Sisi, for closing the Rafah border, putting up a blockade, not allowing, let alone Gazans to come out for medical aid, for support, but he's not allowing aid convoys to go in to Gaza to bring them the medical aid that they so desperately need, to bring them food, to give them anything that they need, but they haven't been doing this. They've blockaded them, they're not doing anything to help the people, and what they're doing is they're furthering the destruction of the people in Gaza.
Prophet said to us that if you're seeing evil, you have to stop it with your hand. If you can't stop it with your hand, then you stop it with your speech. If you can't stop it with your speech, then you stop it in your heart, you feel it in your heart. And the Muslim armies, they have the ability to stop it with their hand. They have the ability to stop it physically. And us here in Britain today, we are here to speak out against that corruption and the oppressive rules of Sisi. And we have the ability to use our tongues to talk against
Please comment on our page, Muslim Student Forum. We want to hear your views.